So this is the Melbourne Prestige. This is like a Class C. Deborah and I is looking for a Class C. Well, actually, I was thinking of B. Oh, goodness. I was thinking of B or C before the got.
Yeah.
If I had a Class, this is the best Class C. This is the Class C Deborah and I would buy. Why is that?
It has an open floor plan.
Look at that, because I'm standing. Hold on, before you do that, here's the driver's. Here's the driver's area.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm gonna be standing right there doing this video.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stand here, and I'm
So
gonna
he's
turn
gonna
around.
stand there, and then I'm over here. It's so open. I could be here. He could be. I could be there, and then he could be here. I could be here. He could be there.
I'm sitting in the
Like,
driver's seat right now, filming it.
no matter where it's at, it's an open floor plan, and you don't feel excluded or anything. Like you're able to interact. Even the bathroom is bigger. It has a shower.
Sink, and it's a nice roomy bathroom. Refrigerator. This has to be quick.
Yeah, it's gonna have to be quick. People are coming. Regular size fridge. It has a convection oven. It does have the conduction or induction and the propane.
Okay. Yeah, so that's
Huge
where this
sink,
is.
all these different storage units. It has the seating,
The vibration and
Yes,
all that
they
massage
vibrate.
and all that stuff, and then
and then the tables.
storage on top of the.
Yep.
I forget what they call this area.
It's like
Then-
a extra bunk.
Yeah, the mama's attic or something like that, and then the storage up there. Right here, right there.
Oh.
Right here. What is that?
Different extra little.
Oh, okay, they pull out drawers.
Yeah.
Pull one out. There we go. Maybe spices is part of the kitchen.
Yeah, maybe.
And this is a slide out, so that's slid out,
Yeah.
and then this is slid out. This section.
And
No,
then
that's not necessarily a big fan of the slide outs.
And then you have this. So let me show you. If I am short,
Let me
y'all.
back up so you can see
I'm so sorry.
what it's
So-
like for a short person to operate the window vent.
So normally, so then you can close it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that-
That's it though. That's why we like it.